What if we're all looking at this the wrong way? Let's dig in, because what's really happening is way more interesting.
Okay, so check this out. This is the puzzle right in front of us. Gold is on an absolute tear, up something like 50, even 60% this year alone. That's a huge rally. And then there's Bitcoin. It had a good run earlier, but now it's cooled off, giving back a lot of those gains. So just looking at this, you'd think, wow, gold is crushing it. But is that the full picture?
And that's where we get to the big question, right? Because if this was a classic flight to safety, everyone dumping risky stuff for hard assets, you'd expect to see it happen across the board. But we're not. And that's our first clue that something else, something much more interesting is going on.
All right, so let's tackle this whole flight to safety idea head on. Because as soon as you look at other big hard assets, the whole narrative it completely falls apart.
I mean, just look at the housing market. It's telling a completely different story. If people were really flocking to hard assets, you'd think real estate would be booming, right? But it's not. Realtor.com data shows active listings are way up, pending sales are actually down, and prices totally flat. Newsweek even called it a deflationary vortex. So it looks like this gold rush is kinda flying solo.
So what's the argument here? It's that this isn't some rational, calculated move into safety. No, it's pure uncut FOMO, the fear of missing out. People see gold's price chart going parabolic, up 50 or 60%, and they just pile in. They're just chasing the shiny object that looks like it's winning. But here's a thought.